This is the set of instructions for doing reduced row echelon form on your calculator in case you needed one more time just going over it, what we did in class, or if you were distance and you kind of missed everything. So here we have three equations. We're going to put this into matrix form with just the coefficients. I have 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, -2, 1, 10, 2, 3, -1, 0. I'm going to take my graphing calculator and turn it on. This first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to second, and then I'm going to go down to the button that says matrix. It's in yellow or maybe green for your calculator, but we're going to use the arrow keys to go over to edit, and I'm going to go down to editing matrix D. So the first thing I'm going to do with matrix D is I'm going to change it to a 3, because it has 3 rows, by 4, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So it's a 3 by 4 matrix, and I'm just going to enter all the numbers that I see. The first row has 1, so I press 1, enter, then 3, enter, 4, enter, etc., 6, and then we keep going. I have 1, -2. Make sure you press the negative button and not the minus button, which is in blue on my calculator, but the negative button. And then 10, and then the last row is 2, 3, and then -1, and then 0. Okay, so our matrix is complete. Once you have a completed matrix and you double check that it has all the correct numbers, you're going to press second quit. Then we're going to go back to second matrix. This time we're going to go over to the math column, and we're going to go all the way down to the option that says rref, and we're going to press enter. rref means reduced row echelon form. Once we select that, we're going to perform reduced row echelon form. It's like a function, and we're going to perform it on matrix D, which is the one that we just edited. So I'm going to press enter on matrix D, and then I end up with this once I press enter. So I'm going to copy this down on my paper. I have 1, 0, 0, 4, I have 0, 1, 0, -2, and I have 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay, remember that this matrix corresponded with actual equations, right? Where the first column corresponded with my variable A, the second column corresponded with my variable B, and the third column was C, and then I have that equal sign there and it equals some number, right? So here I actually have the top row gives me 1A is equal to 4. In other words, A is equal to 4, and thus B would be equal to -2, and C would be equal to +2. So I get the solution for -2 and 2. Hopefully this was helpful. Have a great day.